Yes, student, in previous video I told you that the glucose has one free aldehyde group. One of the evidence we have already checked. Again we are going to check three more evidences. Evidence number B, C and D. It is related that any of the aldehyde group containing compound can reduce Fehling solution, Torrance reagent. Getting? Similarly, glucose also reduces Fehling solution, okay, to gluconic acid, and it also reduces Torrance reagent to gluconic acid. It shows that glucose has actually what? One free aldehyde group which converts into carboxylic acid after oxidation, or we can say by the reduction of Torrance reagent. Okay, and it gives the silver mirror test. Okay, so the silver mirror test is given only by what? Aldehyde. It is not given by ketone. Hence, it proves that it has aldehyde group. Again, we have one more reaction when the glucose is reacted with nitric acid. Okay, and heated. You know that nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It can oxidize aldehydes and alcohols, that is primary alcohol, into carboxylic acid. So similarly, when nitric acid and glucose is reacted, it forms saccharic acid. Here what? The glucose aldehyde is converted into carboxylic acid. Similarly, the primary alcoholic group is also converted into carboxylic acid. This is the property of nitric acid, that it can oxidize primary alcohol into carboxylic acid. So here this reaction can be for two type of evidences. One consists one aldehydic group and one primary alcoholic group, because the secondary alcoholic group is not oxidized by nitric acid. Now the third property, that is fact to support that the glucose has open chain structure. Student, you know that any of the compound, if it is having aldehydic group and it is free in nature, aldehydic group and free in nature, then when it is reacted with HI, now HI is a strong reducing agent, so it can reduce the aldehydic group containing compound into normal alkane, that is open chain alkane. Similarly, when glucose is reacted with hydroiodic acid, we have checked this reaction in aldehyde chapter, that it forms normal alkane, that is what? Normal hexane. Normal hexane, that is open chain compound. So the formation of open chain compound shows that glucose has open chain structure, in which there is one free aldehydic group and the 6 carbon atoms are attached one by one in straight chain manner. So student, on the basis of it, it is clear that according to Fischer, glucose has open chain structure like C double bond OH, CHOH, CHOH. Student, actually what? The third number carbon, this is the third number carbon. Okay, it has some different arrangement of OH. It is because glucose is an optical active substance. Okay, and therefore here the second number OH, it shows the optical activity, that is asymmetric carbon. We will see in next video. So this is the structure of glucose, that is open chain structure of glucose. Yes.